Do you spend most of your days wishing your life was different? Or maybe you feel stuck in a repetitive loop where you lack the feelings and experiences you know deep down you want. If that's the case, maybe all you need is to know how to manifest abundance in your life. The power to change your life from what it is to what it could be may already be within you. You can create the life of your dreams by training your brain and subconscious mind to manifest abundance. With intentional practice, you can begin to shift your reality to experience greater joy and meaning every day. This video will give you direct and tangible steps you can take to manifest abundance, to start waking up excited to live your life. So, what is abundance? Defining abundance is generally a personal task. What I consider to be abundance may be very different from what you consider to be abundance. I generally consider abundance to mean I feel like I have more than enough and that my life is full of good things. I also consider abundance to mean that I'm not living from a place of lack or scarcity. When I'm truly living in abundance, I feel like things just flow for me and I experience a greater bliss that is almost difficult to put into words. As it turns out, science is able to explain why I experience this sensation. The research shows that when we're optimistic and focus on abundance in the future, it does create a neurological response that increases happiness in the emotional center of our brain. So that happy feeling you experience when you focus on manifesting an abundant future isn't just in your head. Well, it is, but it's a neurochemical response in your head that's rooted in science. So why is abundance so important? While it's great that abundance can increase your overall happiness, I'm sure you may be a bit skeptical about this whole manifesting abundance. I get it, because that was me not so long ago, but manifesting abundance is about so much more than just feeling good. It's about living intentionally and being able to navigate the ups and downs with greater ease. Research shows that individuals who focus on positive thoughts, especially regarding their future, are better equipped to cope with tough times. And this study found that when they focused on positive thinking, their access to resources around them increased. Beyond just your own well-being, studies show that cultivating an abundance mindset can result in improved romantic relationships. When you are focusing on the good, it's theorized that you are more grateful for your partner and focus on how you can grow the relationship instead of its faults. So manifesting abundance is far less about experiencing some one-time feeling or getting the thing you thought you always wanted. It's about who you become in the process as you shift from a mindset of lack to a mindset focusing on all the possibilities. Now let's discuss the 5 ways to manifest abundance. Now it's time to level up and realize your true potential in life. These 5 tips are here to teach you how to do that in every area of your life, so you can experience true abundance. Number 1. Become aware of your thought patterns. In order to manifest abundance, you first need to examine how you're thinking on a daily level. If you're constantly focusing on lack or scarcity, then you are setting yourself up to focus on that and act in a way that creates more of that in your life. Because our brains tend to operate in survival mode, it's natural to let negative thoughts and fear crowd your headspace. But by becoming aware of these thoughts, we can start to interrupt and replace them. I've created a habit of noticing my negative thoughts. Once I find that I'm focusing on something negative, I literally stop and visualize myself letting that thought fly away so I can let it go. Other times, I simply take 3 deep breaths when I feel the negativity is overwhelming to retrain my brain to focus on something else. It doesn't matter what you do, but you need to become aware of your thought patterns first in order to be able to proactively change them to create abundance. Number 2. Get clear on what you want. It's hard to manifest abundance if you're not sure what abundance looks like to you. You have to get crystal clear on exactly what it is you want to feel and experience. I used to say, I just don't want to feel how I feel right now. Statements like that aren't helpful because they cause your brain to focus on what you don't want instead of what it is that you do want. You can get clear on what you want by trying out one of these methods. Journal about all that you want. Create a vision board of what you want. Create a mission statement for your life. Create affirmations about how you want to feel. By defining what it is you want, you can then begin to devote your mental focus toward attaining and experiencing those things in your life. It's crucial that you revisit your desires often, so you can retrain your brain to focus on these things consciously and subconsciously throughout your day. Number 3. Live your life as if. One of the best tips I ever stumbled across on my journey to manifest abundance was to live my life as if I were already in possession of the things, feelings, or experiences that I want to have. By doing this, it causes you to emanate joy and behave as though you are the person you want to be. I realize this is easier said than done, but you have to believe and visualize yourself living the way you want in order to actualize it. I often use this tip when it comes to money. I used to live afraid that I would never have enough money, and I would focus on how I'd never be able to get out of my student debt. Now I live as though I am already abundant financially and debt-free. This mindset has helped me to find inner peace and attract financial opportunities that create abundance in my life. Number 4. Start each day with intention. When you first wake up in the morning, both your conscious and subconscious brain are particularly sensitive to the thoughts you have. If you can retrain yourself to begin the day by intentionally being grateful and setting your focus on all the good you want to create in the world, you're going to be sending helpful messages to your brain. If you're anything like me, the first thought you usually have in the morning is, "Do I have to get up? Just 5 more minutes, please." However, I've been practicing making my first thought to focus on something I'm immediately grateful for and choose a positive intention for the day. What you tell yourself on repeat each morning is going to create the day ahead. So choose your first thoughts wisely if you want to create an environment that reflects abundance. Number 5. Reflect at the end of each day. Just as important as how you start your day is how you end your day. If you don't pay attention to what you do each day and how you feel, then you can't change it to help shift your reality. Reflect at the end of the day on what went well and what could have gone better. By doing this, you start to realize what your headspace was like when things may have gone south during the day. This helps guide you towards self-correction and helps you realize steps you can actively take to create a more abundant reality moving forward. Lately, I've been reflecting a lot on how I have this tendency to rush around during my workday without allowing myself the chance to enjoy the simple things in life. This reflection alone has helped me to shift my mindset and pace of work to be more aligned with who I want to be. The simple act of taking time to notice where your thought loops and actions aren't serving you is a major key to helping you change your mind to in turn change your reality. You don't have to spend your days wishing your life was different. You have the power to create your reality and manifest the abundance you desire. Let that sink in and use the tips from this article to start creating abundance in all areas of your life. Once you awaken to the power you have within yourself, you'll realize that a life full of abundance has been right underneath your nose this whole time. What's your favorite tip to manifest abundance? When did you last experience a shift in your mindset due to internal manifestation? I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. If you enjoyed the content and found it valuable, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.